Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Kansas Loan Man Mortgage Minute. Today, I would like to talk about credit and one of the questions that I get asked. When I begin talking to someone about getting pre-qualified or pre-approved, I ask the question, hey, how does your credit look? That way I can gauge how aware the person is of credit and scoring, and all of that kind of tells me an idea of where we might be beginning. And the funny thing is, when I get folks that say, I don't know, or I think my credit's pretty bad, or last I checked, my scores are under 600, I said, okay, that's fine. We'll assess. We'll look at them, and we'll do what we can to get you on a road. I'll give you a time frame. I'll give you a path to run on, and you can go get it, Tiger. Let's make this thing happen. I'll work with you till we can get you into a home. And a lot of times the response, more than you would think, and the worse the credit, the more I get this response, it seems, is, well, I don't want anyone to pull my credit because I don't want to drop my score. And I understand the philosophy behind that. And I kind of look at them. Of course, we're on the phone, so I'm looking at them, right? I look at them, I say, hey, the truth is this. I can't assess your credit without seeing it, just like you can't assess a car without popping the hood. Not really. You can't fix a computer without breaking off the shell if it's a desktop, or turning it on and checking out the software. We have to be able to see what's there. And the point of it too is, if your score is below a 600, say below a 580, in a lot of cases in this type of individuals that are saying this, it's not going to matter if your score drops. It's already where you can't qualify at this point. It's already where you need to do some repair and probably need to get some open accounts. So I need to be able to see what is on there to be able to help you. It's worth the pull. The lemon is worth the squeeze on this one. It's worth it. So that way I can assess it and put you on a program, because I'll tell you exactly what you need to do. And then I'll put it in your hands to do it. I'll match your effort. If you're putting the effort in, doing what I'm asking you to do, and then getting back with me when you've accomplished this, we will work well together and you will be buying a home in the future. So those of you who aren't sure where your credit's at, do not be afraid to get that thing pulled. You want to get it pulled. You want to get it assessed by a mortgage professional such as Kansas Loan Man, and you can do that on wheelkingmortgage.com or kansasloanman.com. So I'd love to take a look at it. I'd love to work with you on that and help you build your future for buying a home. Happy Hump Day, everyone. Hope you have an amazing evening, and we'll talk soon.